Agartala, land of palaces and temples, is the capital and largest city in the state of Tripura. Agartala is also a cultural hub. It is known for its bamboo handicrafts and hand-woven shawls and textiles. It also shares its border with Bangladesh. The best place to visit in Agartala is the Jayanta Palace. Also known as the State Museum, it used to be the royal residence of the rulers during the time of princely states. The name of the palace was coined by Rabindranath Tagore and has several Chinese rooms depicting the rich culture of the northeast with a blend of Chinese craftsmanship. Number 2, Unakoti Hill. Unakoti Hill literally means one lesser koti in Bengali. The most prominent feature of the place is the 30 feet tall head of Lord Shiva amidst the lush green trees and shrubs. Third, Tripura Government Museum. It was established in 1970 and is situated in the heart of the city. There are various rare images and epigraphs which throw a light to the rich cultural diversity of Tripura. Fourth, Giru Miyar Masjid. Giru Miyar's Masjid is the pride of the place for the minority Muslims of Tripura. Built of imported white marble stones, this exquisitely beautiful mosque is endowed with a large number of minarets, towers, and artworks on doors. Fifth, Jagannath Temple. Not only famous due to its religious importance, but also because of its remarkable architectural feat of the octagonal base with Pradashan Patta around the centrum. The pillars of the temple are crowned with square and pyramidal cones. Number 6, Heritage Park. Located in the north of Raj Bhavan, the park showcases the tribal and ancient culture of Tripura. The park is known to have effective microorganism technology which helps in forming organic manure. Seventh, Sipijola Wildlife Sanctuary. Located almost 25 kilometers away from the city, the sanctuary has an artificial lake, zoological and a botanical garden. The place is well known for the clouded leopard area and various other animals and birds. 8th, Venuban Vihar Buddha Shrine. Located in Kunjaben area, which is in the northern part of Agartala, it is a small Buddhist shrine which preserves a metal idol of Bodhisattva and Lord Buddha, which was originally created in Burma. 9th, Dumbur Lake. Located 110 kilometers away from Agartala, this lake is the source of Gomti River. It is a popular picnic spot and one can easily enjoy a boat ride here. 10th, Tripura Sundari Temple. Considered to be one of the 51 Shakti Pithas, consists of a square-type centrum of the typical Bengali hut. It is believed that Sati's right foot fell here during Lord Shiva's dance. There are two identical images of the same deity inside the temple. Number 11, Nehru Park. Nehru Park is a small park opposite the Raj Bhavan. The park was opened in 2003 after much work done to turn a dry patch of land to a lush green space. Twelfth, Neer Mahal. The palace is the largest of its kind in India and the only one in East India. There are only two water palaces in India. Another one is the Jal Mahal in Rajasthan. It is built in the middle of Lake Rudsagar, 53 kilometers away from Agartala. 13th, 14 Goddesses Temple. Also called as a Chaturdasha Temple, it is a noted Hindu temple located near the old Agartala area. This temple was built in honor of 14 deities together called Chaturdasha Devta by the king Krishna Manikya of Tripura in 1761. These deities are worshipped during Karchi Puja.